Hey guys, it's John. I want to give you a quick update on where we are with the Swim.com beta algorithms for the Apple Watch. Let me start by saying thank you for your feedback. It's really important. It's such an important part of the process when we go from internal development and testing to releasing this into the wild, that we have this intermediate step where we have a handful of users, and we've got over 100 right now that are swimming with the algorithms and giving us constant feedback. It's really critical that we go through that process to make sure that we're getting it right. The feedback has been overwhelmingly positive, and we're really happy about that. The accuracy of the timing, the accuracy of the distance, the accuracy of stroke typing, all of it has been elevated, and you guys are seeing it and you're telling us, and that's great. The other component, though, is we've had an issue with drill mode, and there's been a handful of users who have experienced this. So let me explain what's happening. When you put the watch in drill mode, we should be shutting down swim recognition. And it turns out that we're actually not. It's kind of complicated, but there's a little bit of the swim recognition that's still left when you're in drill mode. And so if you put it in drill mode and you just go for a kick set, no problem, you probably have never experienced an issue. But if you put it in drill mode and you do anything that looks like swimming with the arm that has the watch on it, like a single arm butterfly drill, for example, then, or maybe a single arm drill for freestyle, maybe a quasi catch-up, anything that looks like swimming, it's going to pick up that part of the swim. And the real issue is that when you exit drill mode, the underlying data structure in the watch for what we're using to capture the swim, we're overlapping the drill with the swim. And from a timing perspective, it really means that we've corrupted the workout structure. So when you upload that workout, let's say that you swam 2,500 yards in total and you had 500 yards in drill, we'd lose the 500 yards. It's not that you saw it on the watch, it's not that it wasn't captured, it's that the underlying data structure for that swim was kind of mangled because of the overlapping drill mode with swimming. So we have, because of your feedback, we found the issue, we fixed the issue, and we have submitted a new version to the Apple App Store, which is in review right now. So I expect this to be released, could be as early as today, could be tomorrow, Friday for us. We're going to do some testing with that build, make sure everything looks good as we've seen in the internal testing for this next release. And if it does, we'll go ahead and release it and again ask you guys to swim with it. So here we are from a big picture perspective. If everything looks good over the next week or so, and this issue looks like it's been resolved and there's no other issues, then we're going to move forward or continue to move forward, because we've already started the process, with porting those algorithms to Samsung and Wear OS. For those who care, when I say the word porting, what I mean is technically we're translating those algorithms from one language to another. So the software, the programming language we're using on the Apple Watch is different than that for what we use for Wear OS and Android devices and Samsung. So anyways, just a little technical verbiage there. I know I use it often, so I want to make sure everybody's clear on that. So if everything looks good, we're all in, we're porting those over, and looking forward to getting our Samsung and Wear OS users access to these beta algorithms. So swim with it. I'll give you guys an update once it's available, and continue to give us your feedback. Send us an email to support@swim.com. You can hit us up on social media. You can hit our blog. You can send me an email, john@swim.com. Whatever it takes, just give us your feedback. Thanks.